Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to split multiple cells in Microsoft Publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a table. Now we can see here this table, a split cell. Now we want to split merge cell. Now we want to split this multiple cell. Select the cell, then go to the layout menu. Now we can see here many options. We select the split cells option and we split this cell. We can see we split these multiple cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.